Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. Why do you want to know how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned? Well, maybe you have uploaded some kind of violated rules and regulation videos or some kind of offensive or violent videos. That's why your account has been got permanently banned. Maybe you have did this. So today I will show you how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So basically, if your account is permanently banned, there is no way that you can access your TikTok account, right? So you have to just go to the Chrome browser. Here, just click on the Chrome browser. You can choose any of the browser according to you. And here you have to type TikTok Help Center. Then just click on here, okay? And after that, and guys, here you have to write on the search bar ban, okay? And just let me just correct it. And after that, you have to hit the enter. And here guys, you will get a lot of option. Let me just show you. Here you have to scroll a little bit down and here you will find content violation and bans. So just click on here and you will see this kind of information, and basically you have to scroll a little bit down. Just go to the bottom of this section here, okay? And here basically you have to click on appeal directly from the app, okay? And after that you will be redirected to a new page, and from here you have to scroll a little bit down once again, and here you can see these are the options from where you can just unban your account, but this will not work out. And after that there is one way where you can just appeal, right? So you have to scroll a little bit down and here you will find somewhere, let me just show you, please send a report here, okay? And just click on here, and after that you will get this option. You have to enter your email address, your username and the topics. So just click on here and basically it will be account ban and suspension. And this is very important guys, this is very important because you have to explain your why your account was banned. And if it is banned for by mistakenly, they will fix your in the next 24 hours, right? They will contact you through the email address. So your email address is also very important because, and here you can upload all the proofs and all that, and make sure that you check mark this both the boxes, and after that you have to click on submit. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.